Hi guys, I am back. Yes, I am back with another video. For today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own resume or your CV. I'm focusing more on resume for beginners, meaning for undergraduates, for fresh graduates, or for senior high school graduates. Ibig sabihin, it's their first time to make their resume and wala silang experience. By the way, I am Miss Adelle. I've been a hiring manager since 2008 in different companies. And currently, I am the general manager and at the same time, the hiring manager of a Chinese online company. Okay, now, before we proceed to the ways on how to make a better resume, let's try to analyze this given example. This is a resume of Angelica Wilkinson. If you notice, yung kanyang header ay kanyang pangalan together with the job na ina-applyan niya, which is an administrative assistant. So nandoon ang kanyang mga informations like her email address, her telephone number, her address or location, at saka yung kanyang LinkedIn site. Yung mga skills ay nandyan, education ay mga nandyan din, and awards. And ang pinaka-highlight ng kanyang resume ay of course, ang kanyang experience, right? But since ang topic natin ngayon ay ang gumawa ng resume for beginners, let's try to remove that experience part there at tignan natin kung ano ang magiging itsura kapag yan na lang ang matitira at alisin mo yung experience doon. Your name, the skills, your education, and your awards. So if you're going to submit this kind of resume to the company, definitely ask a hiring manager, i-discard ko yan. Anong babasahin ko dyan? Diba? Ang mangyayari niyan, discarded. Lalo na sa amin na wala kaming time masyadong magbasa, mag-screen. Scanning lang talaga ang ginagawa namin because we are receiving thousands of applicants. Lalo na kapag nag-post na kami sa mga social media platforms. So, kapag ganito lang yung ibibigay mo sa akin, hindi kita papansinin. Kasi ano lang yan, wala naman ako mababasa dyan. Ang purpose ng videong ito ay para tulungan kitang maging mas maganda ang iyong simpleng resume. So ano yung mga dapat mong ilagay dyan para maging maganda pa rin tignan ang iyong resume. Okay, first, let's start with your resume header. There are different ways how to do it. In the first example, about the header of Desiree, if you notice, nandito yung kanyang resume objective at saka yung kanyang mga information. Andiyan yung kanyang email address, yung kanyang telephone number, ang kanyang address or location, and ang kanyang mga social media accounts, especially yung LinkedIn. Dito naman kay Leroy William, wala na yung kanyang resume objective. Nandyan na lang yung kanyang mga personal information. And then the third one, usually na ginagawa ng mga Pilipino na aplikante. Ganito siya kasimple. Pangalan, kanyang address, yung kanyang email address, and of course, yung kanyang LinkedIn. Okay. Now, this is a trivia, sa mga aplikante. We are requiring 4 important things na dapat nandoon sa information mo. The first one must be your location. Pangalawa, your telephone number kasi dito ka namin po kontakin for the initial interview. Your email address, definitely. And, of course, your Skype account. Part of a resume header is a resume photo. There are 2 acceptable photos. The first one, yung photo ni Miss Laura, yung from breast pataas. Okay? Or yung kay Marie. Yung kay Marie hanggang sa kakalahati ng katawan pataas. Dapat pleasant. Okay? At professional na tignan ang inyong mga resume photo. Since wala naman tayong mailalagay na experience, you emphasize your education. So, if you're a college graduate, no, you put your major, your course. So, BA in Computer Science or Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English. And you have to include your university where you graduated. And then, ilagay mo dyan yung address. Okay. And then, the year that you graduated. And of course, your award. Kapag magna cum laude ka, right? Or cum laude graduate ka, ilagay mo dyan. Pwede din mo ding ilagay yung iyong average. Okay? It's optional, but you may put it. If you're a college student, for example, you're an undergraduate, mas mauna yung university mo, University of the Arts, London. And then followed by your course or your major, so BA in Interior Design. And the date, don't forget to say it's ongoing para may clue kami na nag-aaral pa lang ito. Now, if you're a high school graduate, you may put the name of your high school, alright, and then the address, and then kung kailan ka nag-graduate. Now, doon sa section ng working experience, instead of work experience or working experience, you may put your internship or your OJT or maybe your practice teaching, seminar or yung mga training attended na related sa ina-applyan mo. So kapag may mga training ka na na-attendan, no, na it concerns education, so kahit management yung course mo, kaya yung mga iba, kumukuha sila ng TEFL certificate or TESOL certificate na nakukuha nila online, no, because this will also help them sa kanilang resume. So, kung meron ka ng ganun, kapag may TEFL ka or TESL or TESOL certificates, then you may put that dito sa working experience mo as a replacement. Another thing na pwede mong i-replace doon is your extracurricular activities. So when you were in college, no, madami tayong mga extracurricular activities na connected sa education or pag-teach. How are you going to write your extracurricular activities? You have to put the title of the section, okay? Yung extracurricular activity mo. Like, for example, member ka, no, sa English club. So, pwede mong sabihin na a member of the English club. So, ano yung name of the organization? Sabihin mong, let's say, St. Louis English Club. Right? And then, your role in the organization. Ano yung role mo sa organization? Let's say, naging secretary ka ng English club na yon. They put it as you are the secretary. Or if you're just a member, then just member, no? At ano yung time period from what year to what year na member ka ng English club. And then, noteworthy awards or achievements. Pwede ka ding maglagay ng mga volunteer work na connected pa rin sa teaching. Do you know that I accept Sunday school teaching as part of an experience? Or you are joining missionary work sa loob ng church nyo, wherein you go out and teach kids, you go out and teach people. I accept that, to be honest. Or di kaya you joined NGO mission, non-government organization mission, na pumunta kayo sa mga liblib na lugar and you teach kids. Those are volunteer works na related sa teaching. Ina-accept ko yan. So, ilagay mo yung title of the section. Ano yung title ng volunteering experience na yan? Volunteering experience na yan. So, if it's a Sunday school teacher, then Sunday school teacher. Or name of the organization, you may put there. Location, kailan yon, from what time to what time. Ano yung mga relevant tasks and achievements mo doon. Other sections, no, that you may include are your hobbies and interests, the languages that you could speak, awards, and certifications. O, di madami-dami na, no? Wala kang work experience, pero madami ka nang nilagay. Right? So, medyo colorful na ngayon yung resume mo. So, again, I will just make a review. So, instead of work experience, you may put your OJT internship or practice teaching. You may put your extracurricular activities and volunteering works. And of course, your hobbies and interests, languages, awards, and certificates. So, that's it. Okay? I hope na lahat ng mga na-discuss ko sa inyo on how to make a good resume ay pwede ninyong gamitin sa paggawa ng inyong resume so you can already start looking for companies na pwede ninyong applyan. And like what I said, if you want to be part of the ESL industry, then you are very much welcome. May mga previous videos ako na pwede nyong balikan kung naghahanap kayo ng trabaho at gusto nyong maging English teacher. So good luck sa inyong paghahanap and I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Goodbye.